Hey guys, what's up? You might have known the major trends these days about online classes, and to make things spice up, Google Meet has brought a major update which most of us are unaware. Google Meet has some major changes like addition of Jamboard within the Meet itself so you could access it easily. So guys, let's see what made Google Meet so special among us. Create a meeting and join the meeting. As you can see, the meeting has been created now, and you can just add people by sending the link via mail or through any media. After others joining in, you can create the jam by clicking on the settings and click on the whiteboard, and your whiteboard is ready and the jam can be prepared in advance in case if you want the class to be smooth enough, or if you want to demonstrate something, you could just make a jam instantly. This can also be shared and presented in your screen, and also the students would also be able to download or watch the Jamboard by clicking the link in the attachments. Hope you guys like the video. A sub to the channel would be phenomenal. Do hit the thumbs up button and share this with your friends, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.